Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to MVI. We're here in a 2017 GMC Sierra. This vehicle does not have the factory navigation. We're actually going to add that today. We're also going to add our 360 camera input module. So give you the adapter to mirror the smartphone along with 360 camera. So I'm gonna get started on showing you the install of this process and we'll go from there. So as you can see, we've got no factory nav. We're gonna change that and then add the rest of the parts. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your door up. Yep, you can close it. So first we're gonna pop off the trim ring. Plastic nylon tool, big deal. Sounds like stuff is breaking, but it's not, I can assure you. Plug things there. So we got the 4.7 mils going all the way around the screen. This guy, just grab and pull. Once again, guys, that snapping sound, just these metal clips, nothing more. Unplug these. And we're going to set it aside. We are going to be connecting at the screen for the 360 AV module and then also the radio right here, which I'll show you here in a second, just FYI. So I am going to start with the navigation upgrade first. So I'm going to get the glove box out next. You do need a T15 Torx. And we've got 4 of them right here. And we've got some along the bottom here as well. So let me zap those guys out. Just 2 of them down here. Alright, with those out, now all you do is this guy right here. It'll pop right out. There is no need to mess with this, just kind of leave it as is for right now. So I'm going to start by getting the HDMI out. And first thing you want to do is grab the harnessing right here and wiggle and tug. That's going to release it from the locking tabs on the side. And we're just going to unplug it. These clips can be tight, guys. Let's take our screen back into place. Okay, and for demo purposes, we're just gonna click it in with the clips. And let's fire this bad boy off. We've got the warning sign. We've got our home screen, which is good. If we go to nav, I've got a map. It's not picking me up just yet. You can see the X here. I am on a very cloudy day, so this may take a second while we're waiting for this to pick up. I'll show you how the override works. So with this in place, just go back to radio. Simply gonna hit rear defrost 2 times. All right, guys, my apologies. Need to hear rear defrost, not the defrost button. So rear defrost 2 times. Message comes up on the screen, just hit accept. You're now in override mode. And let's see if we have map, which it looks like I actually do. Let's see here. So I'm probably gonna have to drive this, but it looks like we're locked on. I'm kind of off the grid here, so there's no GPS X here, so it looks like we're good to go. Now we can go in and do our full address entry and whatnot. So I'll have to go drive this and let it pick up signal, which I'll be back here in just a second. All right, guys, so sorry we had a little bit of technical difficulty, but I got it all straightened out. So let's go back and show you the nav. We'll load the map. Possibly. And I'm off the grid here, but it does pick up. There's no GPS icon. If we go out and drive right now, it'll show the different streets and whatnot. So here we go. So you can see it coming in right here. So there's our factory navigation, as well as now if we want to enter our addresses while in motion, double tap of the rear defrost, confirm you're being safe. And now we're in override. Now we're gonna move on to our 360 camera module. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. Open your door back up. And we'll rock and roll here. So let me get the screen back out. Yep. Right, guys, so I do have the new phone in, and so with it everything plugged in. So this is the iPhone cable that you'll be sent with right here. If you're getting Android, it's wireless. Only Android is wireless unless you do like an Apple TV through Apple. But this will be the Android piece. iPhone is plugged in. We can now go here in video, and I've got the whole phone now mirrored onto the screen. I don't have very good Wi-Fi out here, so let me just see if I can get YouTube going. I apologize, guys, there's not very good Wi-Fi out here. It's trying. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's see little James Franco. And now we've got video playing, mirroring from the phone. So in the kit, guys, is a little dummy plug. Little dummy 3.5. Just simply insert that in there. Okay. Now we're gonna go to media on the control panel. Now we've got
established a fund, a legal defense fund for women and men who are being abused in this way. You got criticized for wearing that.
Now we've got audio.
Why?
So videos, Netflix, whatever, you can play right here. I am going to note real quick, guys, so you are going to go, if you're only doing this for the phone mirroring, you're going to want to go into the menu, into the settings, and turn off the cameras. Okay, otherwise you're gonna, when you come to a stop, your screen's gonna go blank. So let's just uncheck all these guys since you don't have any cameras. If you are doing cameras, you're gonna want to go into this menu and set these. So again, just settings, camera. If you've got the rear factory OEM option, so if we go to reverse right now, go ahead and throw the truck in reverse. We get our OEM camera pops up. So you'll want to make sure that's set to OEM, and aside from that, just make sure all these are unchecked if you're only using this guy for the phone mirroring. And again, you can add the cameras at any time, guys. So there you have it. We have upgraded to the factory nav. We've given it the override bypass add-on module. Okay, and we've also given it the smartphone mirroring, which we get right here. So thanks for watching. For any questions, as usual, please give us a call at the 866 number, or feel free to text the 919 number at the end of the video. Thanks so much.